So in the today's video we are learning about how to apply border in the Excel. Okay, now what I'll do, first I'll select here. If you see here, this one after the underline function, so this is the all about the borders. Okay, now what I'll do, to make the visualization good, I'll go to line style and I'll select the thick one. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to apply the border, right? So now I have selected all these. I'll go here. So I will select the bottom border. I have selected the red line. Okay, so I will select the bottom border. So you see bottom one became red. Now again I'll select only this one. I will go here and then top border. If you see here, this one become red here. Again I'll select all. Okay, this one only, and then I'll become, okay, see, left border. Again I'll select, I want only right side means right border. Like this we can apply, and so many options are there. Again I'll select all. I'll come here, no border means it will remove all the borders. Again select, come here, and only I want only borders on outside means I have to select this outside border. Then you select here means only outside you have border. Okay, again select all, come here. So thick outside border, I want the border in thick size means, see, again you will get the thick size border. So go and select again bottom double border. I want border in the bottom, that should be in the double size. See, it is in the double side. Here if you see here, this is a single line, but here we have the two lines. Okay, then again select, come here. So thick bottom border, see, bottom border is thick, more than this one. And again I will select, come here, top and bottom border. If you select here, so top and bottom border only it will apply. Again select. So like this, so many options are there. So I don't want this one, sir. I want to like manually I want to do means click on the draw border. So wherever you want border, you just click it like this. See, right side means right side. If you just go on clicking, otherwise if you drag also, it will come like this. But if you want to have the border for individual, just click on the lines. See, like this you can have here also. Okay, now what I'll do, again I'll select all, come here, and draw border grid. So select this. Before that I'll remove all the borders. Okay, select all, no border. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll select all, go to border grid. Means what will happen when wherever I drag, see, wherever I drag full, it will become border, it will draw the border. This is called as the grid border. Okay, now again I'll select it, and so I selected all, I'll make it no border. Okay, now again I'm selecting, going to erase border. So before going to erase, we'll draw the border. Okay, I have drawn it. Now there is an option called erase border. So I don't want border for that particular this one means I can erase only that one. See, so like this we can erase the borders. If you don't want full line means like just a second of, this is a just second work. So whenever you get icons like this one, it will not go. So just press escape. So you will again come back to normal one. Okay, and you have so many styles also. If you come in more borders, you have these many options. So I'll select this one. Okay, again what I'll do, I'll select all this. I'll take the grid border. So come here, select style. See, like this border. You can add any style you want, and that's it about the border. Otherwise if you want, okay, I'll remove and show you last one. No border. If you can select all at once and just come here, all borders means you will get border in all sides. So that's it about the border. Okay, in the next video I will come up with the new topic again. So till then, see you, bye bye.